Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I will be doing a wig review, and I'll be styling and kind of doing a makeover on this wig. So if you would like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to leave a big thumbs up down below. Also, while you're down there, check out my social media. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my La Vida Rosa Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, this wig is from Outre, and it is a Swiss lace front wig in the style Valentina and in the color DR30. And it also has 4x4 parting space, 2 combs in front, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps. So now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and try it on. Okay. I read on the package that it is pre-plucked. And I feel like that's a nice part there. It's not too wide, it's not too skinny. And one thing I've noticed about parts is people have been over plucking their hair because they want it to look so natural. But I feel like a natural part is not too wide either. You don't want the part to be just this far apart, but you also don't want it to be extremely tiny. And I feel like this is a good size part. So the color was DR30, and you get these dark roots that come out into like an ombre effect. And this color is supposed to be 30, but I mean, I guess it is 30, but it's giving, I don't see too much red in it. Usually 30 is more of a reddish brown, which I kind of see it a little bit, but not really. The hair itself feels extremely soft, and these curls look extremely juicy, especially on camera. I noticed on camera they look extremely juicy. Like, I know I just put it on, but the longer I wear it, the more I'm really loving this wig. I feel like it really frames the face well. And the curls themselves, I feel like they're like a 3C hair texture. And it is layered a little bit. Like, the top layer is a little bit shorter than the bottom layer. It's basically shoulder length. It's a little bit longer in the back. I was thinking about cutting it because I really don't like when curly wigs are cut this way, where it's a little bit shorter in the front than it is in the back. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and cut so it's like even all the way around. Okay, I loved it before, but I love it even more now that it's so free to move. So yes, okay, I'm loving it. I'm loving that it's more like a bob now. It has so much more motion now. I like it so much better this way. So now I'm just going to take the Afro pick and pick it out a little bit. Some of the curls. It was pretty. It's pretty the way it is, but I just kind of want to see how it's going to look if I pick it out. With curly hair, to me, the bigger the better. Like, I love big curly hair. That's my favorite. I'm really just picking from the root. I'm not like combing the curls out. Like, I'm literally just giving more volume to the hair. So there is lace from ear to ear, but it's very thin along the hairline. And then, like I said, you get the 4x4 parting space up here. The lace itself is Swiss lace, and it's very soft and has a lot of stretch. So this wig is big head friendly. I really don't feel the lace at all. That part is the bomb. Okay, I love this part. It is very natural looking. The wig is so thick and full of hair, like just hair everywhere. I feel like the more you pick it out, the bigger it will get, and you will see like how much hair is on this wig. I didn't really get much shedding or tangling with this wig, so that's a plus. If I had to grade this wig, I would definitely give it an A. Like, I pretty much don't really have too many negatives to say about it. I can't think of one. I'm actually really loving it, and I can't wait to wear it like outside of the house because this is just too cute. I feel like this is gonna be like one of my new favorites, especially the color. The color really grew on me. The longer I wear it, the more I love this color. Also, let me know what you guys think about this wig down below. I would love to hear your opinion. So yeah, shout out to SAMSBEAUTY.com. If you would like to purchase your own, the link will be down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.